Hi all, it's Louise from LAhair Extensions. I thought I'd do a quick video today on Nano Tip Extensions as we get asked all the time what exactly they are. They are one of the 3 types of permanent extensions we stock on our website along with Weft and tape. So sit tight, I hope we give you a lot of information over the next 5 minutes or so. And if you do have any questions, reach out to us on our website or comment below. As the name suggests, Nano Tip Extensions are a nano tip extension. They come individually and they are a tiny little tip which get attached to your individual strands of hair using a nano bead. They are a fraction of the size of micro beads, which most people are familiar with and is a long-standing extension type. And they haven't really taken off in Australia, which is surprising because they are so versatile and they are so discreet and well hidden. The benefits of nano tip extensions over other types of extensions are probably what I alluded to just now. They are way smaller than the normal micro tip extension, and so therefore they are way more discreet. When compared with tapes as well, tapes are larger, and while they do lie quite flat, nano tip extensions are a lot more versatile because they are all individually attached. You can wear your hair in multiple directions, multiple ways. You can wear it up, down, backwards, whereas tape can be really you flip it up, you flip it down, or depending on how it's positioned is how you can sort of pull it into a ponytail. The same with Weft. While Weft you can apply a mass amount of hair to a strand, you also can't position it too close to the hairline, otherwise the edge of the Weft will show along with the beads or the string or whatever it is that you attached it with. So while you can apply a huge amount of hair with Weft, you can't get as close to the hairline. For ladies with thin or small heads, you might find that it's very obvious that you're wearing extensions, and obviously when you have extensions you don't really want everyone to know that you have them. So nano tip extensions are fantastic for women who do have thinner hair or smaller heads or require a bit more of a discreet attachment due to photography or shoots or just styling your hair in multiple different ways. Another benefit of nano tip extensions is that they aren't applied with glue or keratin bonds. They are just like a micro tip extension. They are attached using a bead onto the individual hair strand. And so the fantastic thing about that is that when they are due for being moved up, maintenance or removal, you literally just undo the bead and slide it off. So in that regard, you don't have any sticky residue, any glue, any keratin still left in the hair. If you are someone with thin hair or really weak or damaged hair, having that hair smacked between a sandwich of glue for tape extensions can result in losing all that hair when you go to remove them or if they get tugged on. So the brilliance with the beads is that you don't have that mess and you avoid that whole problem. Another benefit of nano tip extensions is they're fantastic to use around the hairline. For example, I have naturally very dark hair, and so when I go blonde, I have a huge amount of breakage and snapping hair. And so for someone like myself with a lot of short hairs all around my hairline, nano tip extensions allow me to put a whole lot of little nano beads all around here and give me that length, but also being so well hidden. You don't get that versatility with tape or Weft because Weft can't sit that close, otherwise it sticks out and is very obvious. And the same with tape. You can't really position tape too close to the hairline, otherwise it is super noticeable. And the last thing we want is to spend all this money on extensions and everyone be able to see them. So I've run through the pros of nano tip extensions. Are there any cons of nano tip extensions? There aren't so much cons of nano tip extensions, but do keep in mind a couple of things. Firstly, it is an all-over application process. So it's not like just with a Weft where you're going to have one row and heaps of hair applied. This is going to be lots of individual strands applied all over the head. So it is a process, and as such it is going to take about half an hour to 1.5 hours longer than a normal appointment time to get them all individually attached if your hairdresser or stylist does take their time in doing a really good job. So keep that in mind, your appointment will go longer. But that being said, on the flip side, what results is that you're going to have this beautiful application of hair. It's going to be way more versatile, way more discreet, and you're going to be able to style in a lot of different ways. So Whether that's really a con, for me personally, I'm happy to sit in the chair an extra half hour to an hour if it means that over the next 4 weeks, I'm going to have really well hidden extensions. So now you're probably wondering, are Nano Tip extensions way more expensive than both Weft and Tape? Well, no, they're not. They're actually the same pricing. They come in packs of 50 grams or 100 grams. 100 grams is considered a full head of hair, so that is 2 packs. Although most ladies like to wear about 120 grams to 150 grams. It really just depends on how short your hair is originally and how much volume you want to achieve with your application. So there you go, there's a bit of information on Nano Tip extensions. I hope you found this video useful in working out what extension type you're going to try next, whether it be Weft, Tape or Nano Tip. If you have any questions, please contact us via our website or leave a question or comment below. Otherwise, until next time, take care and have a great day.